Michael Siem ibadairu iway inong penmi yakaway ka kenhun jengokai ka bakerteng ka maisha prang tourism ibadairu iway inong penmi yakaway ka yengliang kabala pau pha hapo rikasi kabala kring shibun kinong jengokai hakeleng ka rikasi pat kumjuru nabar ilayoru penpenkam yakaway ka donong hapo umyam Henry menta ka MECL kala pynduh license no yai.
So even as Michael Siem is standing on the street outside Secretariat to protest, I am similarly standing here in the August House to question the policy of this government. Are you giving up on local entrepreneur because now you want to invite big players? Are you giving up local entrepreneurs because now you want to invite big players? I repeat again. Is your Invest Meghalaya policy pro-outsider and anti-local? The people of the state want a clear explanation. With these few words, Mr. Speaker, sir, I thank you once again for allowing me to raise a matter of grave importance. On the other hand, you are
Lapitar halor kani ka polisi batmai jongka Sorkar ka bakteng ka Investment Meghalaya Act lani ka IMA kabala plilat yakiway kinongway nabar pakila bansengkam senjam hapo rikasi jongi dakaba a yakijaka kiputa jongi ilapanyauru halor kajingdu license Michael Siem kaba pelongnya ibay inong ba hatu kanika an IMA kabalong persya yaki Khasi yani ki lokal ndre kaba aimen simpen ban yaki tu kibreu nabar jalamo